Hey everyone, in today's Getting Started series, we're going to look at the Strama Assistant and how the Strama Assistant can save us time and drive seamless interactivity with our CRM. So let's get started. First, we're going to go to our accounts page and navigate to one of our accounts that we've imported from our CRM. In this case, I'm going to go to Starbucks. Now, once I've clicked on the Starbucks account, by default, this is going to bring me into our Assistant tab. And the Assistant is what works on our behalf within our CRM, allowing us to assign multiple tasks and objectives for our Assistant that we normally have to handle ourselves manually within our CRM. So let's find out what it actually does in theory. And very simply, I can ask our assistant, what does it do? What does it do? What can you do? So using conversational technology, we're going to give it a very basic prompt. And as our assistant, it's very cognizant and aware of what it is able to do on our behalf within our CRM. So what you're seeing now is a list of those tasks that can be updated and created or shown by our assistant within Strama.
As your assistant, I can help you manage your sales account by performing various tasks such as upserting, creating or updating contacts, opportunities, events, and reminders, showing you an organizational chart for a specific contact, showing you a list of records which can include contacts, opportunities, events, or reminders, creating email drafts for you to send to your contacts, retrieving document templates for various purposes like meeting summaries or updates. Please let me know what specific task you would like assistance with.
Perfect. So in today's assistant video, we're going to look at using the assistant working specifically with events. So, as a frontline salesperson, you may have uh, times where you need to create a new meeting, or log a meeting for various metrics, or maybe for your own note taking. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at how the assistant can not only log events, but help you view past events and help contextualize those meetings for you. So, again, with simple voice prompts, we're going to limit any clicks that we have to do. And again, we're going to let the assistant do the work for us. So I'm going to click on the microphone button again. Just had a meeting with Greg Brockman today at 9 a.m. discussing the POC. We also discussed the various stakeholders involved. Can you go ahead and log this meeting, but also show us our last 4 meetings we've had on this account too? So you might have noticed that we've given a couple different tasks to our assistant. And what we can see is it's created our event that I've asked, and then it's also shown us our meetings that I've requested as well.
The meeting with Greg Brockman has been logged successfully. I'm now showing you the last 4 meetings you've had on this account. Please review them at your convenience.
Awesome. So I noticed that I got the name wrong in my first meeting. So we're going to do one last step before we wrap the video here. We're going to update that event that we just made. And then I want to get some insights from the meetings that we just looked at as well. So let's go ahead and click the microphone again. Sorry, the meeting on January 4th was with Dennis Brockman, not Greg Brockman. Can you go ahead and make that change? And then I'm curious to see what the pain points we're discovering in the meetings that you pulled up. Can you review our meeting notes from the last 4 meetings and let us know what the pain points are for the customer? So you see the first change that is streamed in is updated that event that we created with, I initially called it Greg Brockman. It is now Dennis Brockman, including the notes that we asked to enter. And now it's also summarized not only the changes it just made, but it's looking at the pain points from our last meeting, giving us a quick glance view to review our notes without having to manually click and enter, scroll through our various sources of notes that we might have. So different ways and different insights that we can ask our assistant to take a look at these things, but just wanted to take some time and look at some examples of how the assistant can work with events within our CRM work, create and update those events, as well as looking at what various insights we can provide and pull from those meetings as well. So that's it for the assistant with regard to events. Hope that was helpful. We will continue our series looking at various other functions with the assistant as well. Thanks a lot.